Welcome back. Here in this video lecture, we will discuss about twisted pair cable. Twisted pair cable, or we can say TPC. The twisted pair cable is under the category of guided communication medium. As you know, there are two different type of category in this communication medium. The first one is guided and the second one is unguided. In this guided communication medium, all the cables are there. So here it is, the very first, very oldest cable to connect two different computing device is twisted pair cable. Right? So it is under the category of guided communication medium. The second important point, it is the most popular wire for telephone communication as well as local area network. It is also known as Ethernet cable. Our today's local area network are called Ethernet network, and this cable is also known as Ethernet cable. Right? So it is the most popular wire. You can see this twisted pair cable everywhere in almost 90% of world's network established with the help of TPC only. Right? Now what is there in TPC or how it looks like? Just see, if you very first just come to this point. TPC made by two separate insulated copper wires. It is a copper wire only that is there inside the TPC for our electromagnetic signals. Right? TPC made by two separate insulated copper wire. Insulated means what? Insulated means one plastic coating is there on this copper wire. So it is insulated copper wire, which are twisted together. Twisted means just like this one is spiral. These wires are twisted together and run in parallel. Just see the diagram here. Two different type of twisted pair cables are available in the market. Here, just see the diagram of UTP, the most popular cable. Right? If you see a UTP, a twisted pair cable, here one brown color or black color outer layer is there on this wire. Right? Very thin plastic outer layer. And when you cut this outer layer of this wire, you can see four different pairs are there inside this wire. One pair contains two wires, four pairs are there. Then how many wires are available in this TPC? Total 8 different wires are there. Just see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pairs. One pair contains two wires. So total 8 wires are there in twisted pair cable. These wires, these pairs are twisted with each other. Just check the diagram. Right? And if you want to know what is the width of this wire, it is a 22 or 24 gauge copper wire that is there inside this TPC, inside this insulated coating. Clear? So here wires are twisted. Now the next point is, out of these two wires are there in a pair. Just see, 1 and 2. Two wires are there in a single pair. Out of these two wires, one wire is a dark color shade, whereas other wire is somehow in light color shade. Right? If you want to know what is the color combination inside the wire, the first wire, it is of blue color. One is dark blue and the other one is blue with white, or we can say light blue. Right? The other one, the second color is green, light green, then orange, light orange. Then the last one is brown, light brown. So these, out of these 8 wires, 4 pairs are there in this cable. So just come to the first pair here. In this pair, 2 wires are there. Out of these 2 wires, one wire, that is dark color wire, is used to transmit signals from one computer to another. Right? One wire is used to transmit data or signals, and the other light color wire, suppose brown, dark brown color, it is for data transmission. Light brown color wire, it is used for the ground reference. It provides the ground to the signals, to the electronic signals or to the electromagnetic signals. Clear? Now, here, if we talk about this twisted pair cable, there are two different type of cables. Twisted pair cables are available in the market. The first one is known as UTP, unshielded twisted pair. Unshielded twisted pair, this one. Here it is the UTP. And the second one, it is known as shielded twisted pair. Unshielded, shielded. Two types are there in the market. It is on you that which particular type you can purchase to establish your computer's network. Right? The most popular twisted pair cable is unshielded twisted pair. UTP is the most popular one instead of STP. Now, what is there in STP? Wires, just see, 4 pair. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4 pair. Every pair contain 2 wires, 2, 2, 2, 2. Here in STP also 2, 2, 2, 2. The width of the wire is also same. The wire material is also same. Here also copper wire. Here also copper wire. Each and everything is same in these two different type of cables rather than one thing. The one thing is what? Now just see here. If you cut this UTP, just you can see one outer layer, brown or black color or white color outer layer is there. It is a very thin outer layer, or we can say it is a very thin insulator. You can easily cut this insulator, and when you cut the insulator, you can find out 8 different wires are coming out without any protective layer, without any protection. Means the outer protection of these 8 wires are a very thin plastic coating that is known as outer layer, or we can say outer insulator. Right? But here in STP, if you cut the STP, if you cut the outer layer of STP, you can see one mesh of wire is available. Mesh means the metallic mesh of wire, it is available just under the outer layer. If you cut the outer layer, you can find out wire mesh is available. Then you have to cut this wire mesh, and when you cut the mesh of this wire, mesh of this metallic wire, then you can find out these 8 different wires. Means STP comes with extra shielding, comes with extra coating, or we can say STP comes with mesh of metal. Right? To give strength of this wire. Right? So these 2 type of wires available in the market. Done. Now come to the next point. Here, if we are going to categorize this twisted pair cable, very first thing, twisted pair cable is widely used in telephone communication. If a landline phone is there at your home, just see the cable of this landline phone, it is the example of twisted pair cable only. Right? So, here this wire comes in 7 different categories. Cat 1, it is used for telephone communication, and this wire is available for voice grade medium only, VGM. Very oldest wire. Cat 1 available for voice grade medium, or you can communicate, you can transfer voice signals over this wire. It is not available for data communication. Cat 1 is not available for data communication. It is a pure voice transmission wire. Right? Now after that, Cat 1, Cat 2, Cat 3, Cat 4, Cat 5, Cat 6, Cat 7, these categories are available for data communication. Right? Currently, the most common category that is available in the market, it is Cat 6. Cat 6, again, different types are there in Cat 6. Cat 6A cable, Cat 6E cable. Right? So it is currently available in the market, or we are working on Cat 6. And in some old networks, you can see, old network means just 2 years old. Right? Here, in these type of networks, you can find Cat5 cable also. Cat5 and Cat5e. These two cables are the most popular cable throughout the world. And now, the upgradation of this Cat5e, it is Cat6a and Cat6e available in the market. Right? Now, what is these categories? These categories are based on the transmission speed of the wire. Transmission speed, right? Cat1, it works on less than 0.1 Mbps. The speed of this wire is less than 0.1 Mbps. Where if we talk about Cat2, Cat2 works up to 2 megabit per second speed. Right here, this Cat5 cable, it works on 100 Mbps. Mbps means megabit per second. This wire can transfer 100 megabits per second from a single part per second at the point, at the portion of the wire. Right? It is known as speed of the wire. Clear? Now, why the name comes twisted pair? Twisted refers to twisting. Twisting means the pair, the wires that are there in a pair are twisted with each other. The concept that we want to know, the concept is why this twisting is required inside this twisted pair cable. Right? Here come to this point. Twisting of wire provides protection against crosstalk. Twisting of wire provides protection against crosstalk. Now, what is this crosstalk? As you know, just take one example. If suppose it is a wire, it is a copper wire, and if I want to supply electricity, I want to supply current by using this wire, then this current that is traveling inside the wire, it creates a small circular electromagnetic effect throughout the wire. Right? A supply of electricity produces electromagnetic waves, electromagnetic effect with this outer layer of this wire. Right? So, this electromagnetic effect, it is known as noise. If electromagnetic effect is there in the wire gets noise from outside. Right? And this electromagnetic effect can prevent the data supply also. So, if we are going to twist the wire, we are going to supply or we are going to create twisting of wire, it reduces crosstalk or it reduces the noise that is available inside the wire. So twisting is required to protect against crosstalk or to protect against noise from the outside interference. Clear? Now the next point, very important point that is related with this twisted pair cable, it is this cable can transmit signals up to 100 meters long only, means the maximum signal carrying capacity of this wire, it is 100 meters only. Suppose, just take one example, if you are having two different PCs and the distance in between these two PCs is 120 meter and you want to connect these two computers with twisted pair cable, is it possible? No, it is not possible. Twisted pair cable cannot transmit data in between these two computers. Why? Because the length is more than the maximum signal carrying capacity of this twisted pair cable. Now what you can do? Repeater, or we can say amplifier. It is a networking device easily available in the market. Right? If you comes with this particular type of situation, what you can do, just purchase one repeater or we can say amplifier. Just purchase one repeater or amplifier from the market and put this repeater in between this wire. Right? Once you put the repeater in between the wire, what is the role of repeater? Repeater can take the input signal, amplify the input signals and retransmit it inside the cable. So, with the help of repeater, you can transmit data up to 200 meters in this same twisted pair cable. Clear? And without repeater the maximum distance is 100 meters only. Clear? So it is the role of repeater. If you want to extend the distance, extend the signal carrying capacity of this wire, you just add repeater in between the wire. Clear? Now, if you want to know what is the speed of this wire, here it is. Generally, Cat5, Cat5e, these type of cables you can see in this different offices, colleges, banks, and then universities. The cable, Cat5 cable can transmit data with the speed of, or we can say up to the speed of 100 megabits per second. Per second, 100 megabits can transfer from one point of the wire. Right? It is known as the speed of this wire. Done? Now, the next point. It is related with what are the advantages of this twisted pair cable. Here, just keep in mind that it is the most popular cable for local area network, or we can say for this Ethernet network. Now, if it is most popular, it means it has lot of advantages. Right, the very first advantage of this wire, it is inexpensive, or we can say it is a very cheap wire. Right, cheap means if you want to take 1 meter wire, 1 meter twisted pair cable of Cat5, it costs you around 15 to 20 rupees, and if you want to purchase the latest Cat6e cable from the market, the cost of Cat6A or Cat6e cable is near about 40 rupees per meter. Right? So it is very inexpensive. The second advantage, easily available in the market. The third advantage, easy to install and maintain. Very important thing. If you want to create a twisted pair network, you need not to take help, or you need not to hire a network engineer or network administrator. You can create this network with your own only. Right? So easy to install and maintain. It is a flexible wire and it is easy to connect. Now, easy to connect means what? Just see the twisted pair cable. See the diagram of twisted pair cable. 8 wires are coming out from the corner. Now, if you want to connect these 8 wires in your computer's cabinet, your computer cabinet is not having any port to connect these 8 different wires in it. So, for that, you have to purchase a special connector that connects these 8 wires with each other. This special connector that works with twisted pair cable is known as RJ45 connector, register jack 45 connector. Right? You should purchase RJ45 connector, connect these 8 wires with the connector, and now attach this connector with this wire with your computer's cabinet. Simple. So it is easy to connect. Now, there are some disadvantages also that are related with this twisted pair cable. Just see the last point. Low bandwidth. The first disadvantage is it is a low bandwidth cable. If you want to see HD videos by using this networking cable, somehow it shows buffering. Right? So we can say it is a low bandwidth. Not able to carry signal over long distance. As you know, the cable maximum signal carrying capacity of this cable is 100 meters only. Right? Now, here, not able to carry signals over long distance, and the third one is still possibility of crosstalk. Crosstalk means the noise that is created with this electromagnetic effect, electromagnetic presence of this current. Right? So, here it is, the concept of twisted pair cable. You just create notes related to this topic, and it is very important topic. Here you can find MCQs coming out from this topic. You can find diagram related questions that is also related with this point, and so on. Right? I hope the topic is clear in your mind. Thank you. Thank you very much.